U.S. Marshals are in the middle of an all-out manhunt for a 23-year-old who skipped out during his murder trial. That trial went on without Rene Carrillo. He was found guilty, sentenced to what amounts to life in prison. Now, it's important to note he was not in custody during his trial, but out on bond with an ankle monitor. Fox 4's Sean Rabb in studio tonight with the search for a killer. Sean?
Yes, Heather, and I talked to a lot of people who tell me Carrillo talked to some folks Wednesday after court about what would likely be the outcome and then decided to get out of town, cutting off the high-tech ankle monitor. And that doesn't happen often. Then getting in the wind. Now the Marshals trying to sniff out his scent. Rene Carrillo is a man on the run, and the U.S. Marshals Fugitive Task Force running after him. Task Force Officer B.K. Nelson.
We got to get back out and start hunting again. Our job is to find this young man.
October 11th, 2017, security cameras at strip club XTC catch, police say, Carrillo at the door of this white Mercedes, shooting and killing the passenger and wounding the woman driver.
This week, while I was presiding over the trial, he apparently absconded. Certainly the evidence points to that.
Carrillo on trial this week, but out on bond wearing this, an electronic leg monitor that tracks using satellites and cell phone towers. I don't recall many folks on murder charges being out on bond during their trials.
That's correct. I did not set the bond in this case. The assigned judge at the time did, and it may very well have been appropriate. I'm not second guessing that at all. I'm just telling you I didn't set the bond.
Sometime Wednesday night after trial, Carrillo went home, cut the monitor off, then cut out.
His ankle monitor had been cut off and disregarded on the side of the road in Terrell, Texas.
Carrillo was gone. The trial went on, and jurors found him guilty on that murder charge.
They were out about 15 minutes, and his punishment was assessed at 99 years in the Texas Department of Corrections Institutional Vision with a fine of $10,000.
Carrillo's co-defendant, also out on bond, wanted none of the marshals looking for him and turned himself in Friday. But the feds want their man.
We're going to start re-interviewing family, friends, anybody that knows him, anybody that is associated with him. We're going to be contacting them, and hopefully they can talk him in to coming back and facing what he has been sentenced with. And if he doesn't come back, we'll still be looking for him.
Now, Crime Stoppers offering reward money for Rene Carrillo's rearrest. You can call Crime Stoppers or call B.K. Nelson direct at 972-978-1765. That number again, here it is, 972-978-1765.